The mystery of strange incidents in the mysterious land of Patagonia. Introduction. A realm of untamed beauty and unsolved mysteries. Stretching across the southernmost reaches of South America, Patagonia is a land of breathtaking landscapes, towering peaks, sprawling glaciers, and vast, unbroken plains. To many, it is the last frontier of untouched wilderness, a place of adventure and discovery. But beneath its surface of natural beauty lies a darker, more enigmatic side. Over the years, Patagonia has become synonymous with strange occurrences, unexplained phenomena, and tales that defy rational explanation. Why do so many explorers report feelings of being watched in its desolate expanses? What secrets do the towering Andes and the windswept steppe conceal? And what is the truth behind the stories of vanished travelers, ghostly lights, and prehistoric creatures said to roam its remote corners? This is the story of Patagonia, a place where reality and myth blur, leaving us to wonder what lies beyond the veil of the known. Chapter 1. The Whispering Winds and Vanished Travelers. Patagonia is notorious for its fierce winds, which can reach speeds of over 100 kilometers per hour. Locals often speak of the whispering winds that seem to carry voices, soft murmurs that are just audible enough to unsettle travelers. Many believe these whispers are the spirits of those who have vanished in Patagonia's unforgiving terrain. Over the years, countless people have disappeared while exploring the region, leaving behind little more than cryptic clues. One such case is that of Santiago Lopez, an experienced mountaineer who disappeared in 1999 while attempting to summit Mount Fitzroy. His final radio transmission described an overwhelming presence and a strange glow in the sky. Despite extensive searches, no trace of Lopez was ever found. His story is just one of many that feed into the lore of Patagonia's supernatural forces. Some attribute these disappearances to natural causes, harsh weather, treacherous terrain, or exhaustion. Others, however, believe that something more sinister is at play. Could there be unknown forces in Patagonia that defy human understanding? Chapter 2. The Enigma of the Patagonian Giants. Legends of giants have been associated with Patagonia since the first European explorers arrived. The name Patagonia itself is thought to derive from the word Patagon, used by the Spanish explorer Ferdinand Magellan to describe the indigenous Tehuelche people, whom he believed to be giants. Magellan's crew reported encountering individuals standing over 9 feet tall, with massive footprints that seemed to confirm their extraordinary size. These accounts, though dismissed by some as exaggerations, persisted in European lore for centuries. But were these stories entirely fictional, or could there have been a kernel of truth behind them? In recent years, researchers have unearthed evidence of prehistoric megafauna in Patagonia, including giant ground sloths and other massive creatures. Could these fossils have inspired tales of giants? Or did early explorers truly encounter something extraordinary that has since faded into myth? Chapter 3. The Ghost Lights of Patagonia. One of the most enduring mysteries of Patagonia is the phenomenon of ghost lights. Known locally as luces malditas or cursed lights, these glowing orbs have been reported across the region's remote areas, particularly near the Patagonian steppe. Witnesses describe them as ethereal, floating lights that appear to move with intent, often leading travelers astray. In 1976, a group of geologists working near Lake Argentino reported a series of encounters with these lights. They described them as small, bluish spheres that hovered in the air before darting away at impossible speeds. Attempts to photograph the lights failed, as the equipment malfunctioned every time the lights appeared. Some theories suggest that the lights could be caused by natural phenomena such as bioluminescent organisms or swamp gases. Others argue that they are connected to Patagonia's deep history of indigenous spirituality. To the Mapuche people, these lights are thought to represent the spirits of ancestors, guiding or warning those who encounter them. Chapter 4. The Loch Ness of Patagonia. Deep within the waters of Lake Nahuelhuapi lies one of Patagonia's most famous mysteries, Nahuelito, a creature said to resemble the fabled Loch Ness monster. Reports of Nahuelito date back to the 19th century, with sightings continuing to this day. Witnesses describe a long-necked creature with a humped back, often seen breaking the surface of the lake. In 1922, an Argentine newspaper published an article claiming that a team of zoologists had discovered large, unexplained tracks near the lake's shore. Although the report was later discredited, it reignited public fascination with Nahuelito. Could the creature be a surviving member of a prehistoric species, such as a plesiosaur? Or is it simply a case of mistaken identity, with sturgeon or other large fish being misinterpreted as something more extraordinary? Whatever the explanation, Nahuelito has become a cultural icon in Patagonia, capturing the imaginations of skeptics and believers alike. Chapter 5: The Lost Cities and Hidden Treasures. Patagonia has long been associated with tales of lost cities and hidden treasures. Perhaps the most tantalizing of these is the story of the City of the Caesars, a mythical settlement said to be filled with gold and riches. According to legend, the city is hidden deep within the Andes, protected by magical forces that prevent outsiders from finding it. The legend of the City of the Caesars has inspired countless expeditions, yet no concrete evidence of its existence has ever been found. Could it be a metaphorical tale, symbolizing the allure of the unknown? Or is there a grain of truth behind the stories, waiting to be uncovered by a determined explorer? Chapter 6: Theories Behind the Unexplained. The mysteries of Patagonia have given rise to a wide range of theories, from the plausible to the fantastical. Some researchers point to geological and atmospheric factors to explain the region's strange phenomena. For example, Patagonia's unique climate and magnetic anomalies could account for the ghost lights and other strange occurrences. Others look to folklore and cultural history, suggesting that many of these stories have their roots in indigenous traditions and early explorers' misunderstandings of the land. Still, there are those who believe that Patagonia's mysteries hint at something far greater, an intersection of dimensions or an area where the natural and supernatural collide. Chapter 7: A Place of Endless Wonder. Patagonia remains one of the most enigmatic places on Earth. Its vast, untamed landscapes continue to inspire awe, while its unsolved mysteries fuel our collective imagination. Whether the strange incidents reported in this remote land are the result of natural forces, human psychology, or something truly otherworldly, they remind us of how much we have yet to understand about our world. For those who dare to venture into Patagonia's wild heart, the promise of discovery and the lure of the unknown remains as strong as ever. Conclusion: the call of the unknown. The mysteries of Patagonia are not just tales of the past. They are an ongoing invitation to explore, question, and seek answers. As we continue to unravel the secrets of this remote and mysterious land, one thing is certain: Patagonia will always hold a special place in the realm of the unexplained.